Yeah. You're gonna carry the bike later? Dude, man, this ain't good. Dude, I got this freaking box thing here, dude. I got a box thing that's like blocking my arms. I can't see shit in front of me. What? Yo, I ain't jumping back. Oh man, this is annoying. God. No, wait.
Pass that shit. Horizontally.
All right.
Horizontally.
Yeah, I can't put it horizontally.
I can't reach vertically.
Well, I can't, because it'll fall out of the thing horizontally.
No, just... Wait, don't let go, don't let go.
All right.
Don't let go, holy shit.
Hey, you got it?
Topple it.
Okay. Take the camera too. Now we gotta get your bike, dude. Alright, let's make a documentary, man. It's the barbecue.
We'll do that later.
We gotta fucking carry the bike here. You are doing it? Alright, here. Tack.
Two of us carry the bike. Okay.
Me and Steve does.
Oh.
Yeah.
Technically, I could do that.
Because we could just go to Shooters, get something like,
Somewhat cheap.
something cheap, like an appetizer or something.
Whatever you guys want to do, I don't care. Oh.
Because there's a soccer game going on, and he wants to watch it at the same time.
Oh. You mean Shooters?
Yeah, Shooters.
I thought he was like watching a soccer game right now.
No, not right now. Yeah. That one's still kind of red.
It's alright.
It's just like such a sad barbecue. We're just like, yeah.
It's actually working out.
I know.
It's working out, but we bought two thin ones.
Yeah.
Dude, there's like guys skating over there.
They suck, so they're not skating at the park.
Yeah. Sanka, do you skate anymore?
Not that much.
Skateboard broken half?
I'm playing ball too much.
Dude, I haven't even been on my skateboard for like a year and a half now.
Dude, why is it so strong?
What's the sound?
Tell me. My eye.
It's probably just sweat.
Are you wimping out?
I gotta be used to this.
Yeah, that's why his eyes are red.
I was gonna say something else.
Whoa.
One round down, next one up.
Timberlands.
I mean, just put everything in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's more like it.
Yes.
Yeah. Dude, why the hell did you take it out of the ice?
What out of the bag?
Take all the things out of the ice.
Well, first of all, like the Coke was never in the ice
Yeah.
because there weren't bags enough for those.
Put it back in the ice.
Put it back in the ice.
Where are the ices?
Right here.
Stash all the ice
Let's
together.
take one Coke though.
Okay. Let's ice one Coke though, at least.
Yeah, here. I'll put the other one in. Yeah. Okay. I like how that car is about to smash into that weird capsule.
Oh, dude, there's like a car here, man.
What the hell?
Dude, guys, look. I think they're gonna tell us to.
do that.
Huh?
You're not supposed to do that.
I think they're gonna tell us to get out.
Oh, it's Kate.
No, they have people barbecue here.
Oh. He looked at us like, dude, why are you barbecuing here?
Because we gangsters.
He drove off. He was like, dude, they took my spot.
They gotta cross the river.
In a car. Bye-bye.
Some of the meat can be red, by the way.
Yeah, it's not too red.
Good though, right? Careful, there's gonna be like daikyo female, you know?
Oh, the shit that got the kid?
Yeah.
What happened to the kid?
Where's the fourth plate?
We just can't eat too much of that of it that's red though. That's the thing. We gotta flip this
The
over.
kid ate was like completely like raw.
Holy crap. Dude, you Japanese people are like hardcore, man. Like raw sushi.
You're the one telling that? You're Chinese.
What? Oh, that's plastic.
Aburario.
Those? Is it plastic or paper?
Ja, abura. Colaもらし。
Cola's not good.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, we need to be bigger.
Huh?
That's good enough.
It's gonna be our height.
Dude, that's gonna be hard to put out, man.
Piss on it.
That might make
At the
it
same
worse.
time? Hell no.
It's gonna burn your dick off.
Okay.
Not if you piss at it in the right direction.
Whoa, the wind's picking on that.
Dude, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good.
I'm gonna fucking kill it with stones.
Issues.
It's going down.
That's what's up.
That's not good. That's not good. That's not good.
Step on it. Step on it.
Dude, you made it worse. Dude, I found a cigarette.
Oh, dude, the mosquito thing.
Oh yeah, dude, burn the mosquito thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna smell bad.
Nah, dude, we're gonna get cancer.
Dude, what happened to the fire?
What
Oh,
happened
boy,
to the...
not gonna it's like kind of died out.
Burn Steven's bed.
Burn your bike.
Not my bike, man. Carried it over the river.
That means we don't have to carry it back.
Dude, let's burn this gay ass bed.
The flower one.
Alright, any fat you can find?
Was that the incinerator?
Get a little garbage into the trash bag.
I just said put the trash bags in there. What are we gonna put the trash at? I mean, where are you gonna dump it?
In Apia, there should be a garbage.
Fuck it, dude. It is somehow.
Oh, dump that first.
Just dump it in there. Someone drink a bit more before I go.
Yeah, drink
I'll take the Coke.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll take it.
Hey, Steven. I mean, Rikuto, shouldn't we put the fire out?
Anyone want to drink tea?
No, I'll drink some.
We'll just sit here until the fire goes.
Save some for the fire.
Fire.
There's ice.
Oh, there's ice waters.
It's gonna melt. That's good. That's good.
I mean, that's not enough tea anyway.
Alright, let's put the fire out.
Pop it out.
Ice is right there. Is there Coke too?
You gotta stash that shit. Don't burn the plastic bag.
Usually, like you would think like the ice would melt, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is still alive. That's not.
We should just step on it, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to leave it smoking because they can't catch on grass.
Yeah.
And then it's got.
And we fuck.
We could burn us a whole to China.
Our liquid we got.
You could burn the sunflower.
Yeah. No.
Like sunflowers! Yeah! Let's go hug them.
Oh, dude, let's burn the syrup.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I'm not sure if that works.
You sure you don't want to keep that?
Nah, I don't need it.
Is that oil?
Could be. Shit, it might explode.
Try. It's killing it. It's killing it. We're flavoring the.
The wood.
It looks like we're about to eat it.
Where's the trash?
Still smoking.
Where's the trash?
Alright, let's roll. Dude, in the viewfinder, this place looks so country, but really we're just in the city.
Yeah, it looks like we went to like all the way to a kind of mountain.
Dude, it looks like we freaking went to like a different country.
Oh, if we like take out like an unnecessary part, we can make like a movie like that.
Oh,
It looks like
dude,
we went to like.
See, that's the thing with Japan. You could make a movie, and it would look like anything. Ah, dude. Sanka has to carry his bike across the river again. It's gonna be funny. All right, I'll see you on the other side, man. And I get it on video. You should just wait after we leave, because then we might be blocking your way. Shit.
That key falls. I dare you go fight him in the middle. You start beating him up.
Oh no, just like one guy just stand in the middle and be like, Mortal Kombat! Aw, man. Oh, dude. Dude, this is too good. Hey dude, you want to hear a racist joke? It's really funny. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. I gotta whisper it to you. Yeah. Huh?
Yes. Gap thing started.
Oh shit.
It looks fun.
Alright, let's go.